Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to disable or modify the user account control settings in Windows 10. Let's jump right into this. So what we're going to do is head over to our start button, and now I'm going to type in user account, and the second option here should say change user account control settings. So left click on that. From here, we can adjust our settings. So if we want more responsiveness from user account control, we can go up to always notify, and you can read what you'll be notified for in this little box off on the right here. And if you're looking to disable it all the way, just drag this all the way down to never notify. Left click on OK. You're going to have to confirm this change. And then I would suggest restarting your computer, and user account control should be disabled. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.